Looking for the best Bosch miter saw for your workshop? Stick around as we rank the top models and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. First up in our ranking is the Bosch MS1233 Crown Stop Kit. Now, this isn't an actual saw, but an accessory designed to make crown molding cuts easier and more precise. It comes in at the bottom of our list simply because it's not a standalone saw. But if you already own a Bosch miter saw, this little upgrade could make a big difference. The Crown Stop Kit helps you cut crown molding flat against the fence, which makes things faster and more accurate, especially when working alone. It's super sturdy, made of heavy-duty steel, and stores neatly out of the way when you're not using it. It fits a range of Bosch saws and even some non-Bosch models with a little tweaking. Of course, there are a couple of downsides. There aren't printed instructions included, so you might need to spend a few minutes figuring things out, and depending on your saw, you might need to do some minor modifications for a perfect fit. But overall, it's a great accessory. So if you already have a Bosch miter saw and do a lot of crown molding work, this is a smart and affordable add-on. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products featured in this review at the best prices in the description below. Next in line is the compact cordless model, the Bosch GCM18V-12GDCN14. This one is great for folks looking for maximum portability without sacrificing too much power. It ranks 4th on our list, just above the accessory, but behind the bigger saws we'll cover shortly. This saw is lightweight, just 26 pounds, and easy to carry around. It's powered by Bosch's bi-turbo brushless motor, giving you nearly corded level performance. The LED work light is super helpful in dim spaces, and it's great for smaller jobs like trim and baseboard work. If you're running off Bosch's core 18-volt batteries, you'll get solid runtime for a cordless tool. But it does have its limitations. The single bevel design means you can't tilt the blade both ways, and the smaller 7/4-inch blade limits its cutting capacity compared to the bigger models we'll cover. Plus, you'll need to buy batteries separately if you don't already have some. Overall, this saw is a smart choice for carpenters or DIYers who need a portable solution. If you're moving between job sites or working in tight spaces, this is a great grab-and-go option. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Moving into the corded territory, we have the Bosch CM10GD. This is a mid-range powerhouse with a 10-inch blade and Bosch's signature axial glide system. It sits comfortably at 3rd in our ranking, offering more versatility and cutting power than the cordless model, but not quite the top-end performance of the 12-inch saws. This saw delivers smooth, precise cuts, thanks to its dual bevel and front-mounted controls. The axial glide arm means you don't need extra clearance at the back, making it perfect for smaller workshops. Dust collection is excellent, which is always a plus, and the overall build quality is fantastic. Now for the drawbacks. It's a bit heavy at 64 pounds, so it's not super portable. The cutting capacity, while very good, is still smaller than what you'll get from a 12-inch saw, and the extensions for larger stock aren't as wide as they could be. If you're a serious hobbyist or a pro who doesn't need massive cutting capacity but values precision and durability, this one hits the sweet spot. Let's move on to the heavy hitters. In second place is the Bosch GCM18V-12GDCN14, a full 12-inch cordless saw that brings serious power and flexibility to the table. This saw is ideal if you want top-tier performance without being tied to a cord. It features Bosch's axial glide arm for smooth sliding in a compact footprint. The dual bevel design gives you tons of cutting angles, and the cutting capacity is huge, perfect for big crown molding, large baseboards, and wide cross cuts. It comes bundled with a big battery and charger, so you're ready to go right out of the box. What holds it back slightly is the weight. At nearly 60 pounds, it's still quite heavy, and the price. This is a premium tool with a premium price tag, so it might not fit everyone's budget. If you're a contractor or woodworker who needs a cordless solution with serious muscle, this is a fantastic option. But for those who want the absolute best, we've still got one more saw to cover. Finally topping our list is the Bosch GCM12SD. This is the king of Bosch miter saws and my personal favorite in this lineup. If you want the ultimate in cutting capacity, precision, and durability, this is it. Thanks to the axial glide system, you get incredibly smooth motion and space-saving convenience, perfect for tight workshops. The 12-inch blade and dual bevel give you a massive cutting range, handling big crown molding and long cross cuts with ease. It also has excellent dust collection and is built to last, with solid construction all around. It's not without flaws. At 65 pounds, this saw is heavy, and it doesn't come with a built-in laser or shadow cut guide, though you can easily add one. The price is on the higher side, but you truly get what you pay for. If you're a professional contractor or a serious woodworker looking for the best Bosch miter saw out there, this is the one to get. That wraps up our list of the best Bosch miter saws. You'll find all of the top picks linked down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more great tools and reviews. See you in the next one.